Starting your digital marketing business over 50 doesn't have to be hard. I know the info marketing business is a busy space and you're getting overwhelmed with a lot of information because everyone wants to sell you their course. But if you find a particular product or course that solves a particular problem without all the complicated fluff that goes along with it, then you'll find a little gold mine for you. Doesn't matter what age you are, especially now with the digital economy, and if you're over 50 and you're looking to retire early, there's many options and opportunities out there for you. You just have to be clear on which one you want to go after and just hone your skills and build a brand around you and the problems and the downfalls and everything that goes with it. Share your journey, be authentic, and don't say you can earn X amount of dollars in X amount of time without no work. This 2-hour workday stuff that's going on is, it's just a lot of overhyped stuff that they're not actually sharing the behind the scenes that actually takes to build your online business.